If you are looking to invest for your retirement, there is a scheme by central government called NPS, which is National Pension Scheme or National Pension System. The key benefits of this is you get monthly income post retirement, you get better returns than public provident fund or fixed deposit. Since it is a central government backed scheme, so there is security of funds available. Now there is a tax benefit available under old tax regime, annually up to rupees 2 lakhs. How? Under 80C 1.5 lakh plus additional 50,000 under 80CCD 1B. Also under new tax regime you can get tax benefit for employer contribution to NPS. Okay. Now let us see the key facts. Minimum investment is 1000 rupees per year, maximum there is no limit. Now talking about the withdrawals of fund, you can withdraw at 60 years of age. Okay. If you want to withdraw before reaching 60 years, you can do it for some emergency purpose or medical illness also. Now the withdrawal which you can do at maturity is totally tax free, but you cannot withdraw 100%. 60% can be withdrawn immediately and 40% you have to invest in purchasing the annuity plans. Okay. Now there are two plans available: equity plans, government bond or corporate debt plan. Based on the risk appetite, if you are an aggressive investor, you can choose equity plan, otherwise you can choose the corporate debt or government bond plan. There are 11 funds which are available where you can invest in NPS. I have given sample returns of 5 years of these funds. The first column is equity and the other column is debt, so you can choose accordingly. So if you are interested, you can start investing in NPS. Thank you.